welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to talk about growing a taro root into our home garden, either into the grow bag or into the pot. The first question arises, can we grow taro into the small space? The answer is simple, yes we can. We only need to maintain certain conditions to support this plant and we'll get the good harvest. In this video, I will explain you in detail how we are going to plant taro into our grow bags and what size of grow bag we are taking and what preparation we have done. All these things I am going to explain in detail in this video. So stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start this video. Friends, taro is the root and we can propagate this with the old season tuber. But before sowing the taro root, we must sprout them before the sowing. That will ensure the right direction of the sowing as well as the 100% setting of the plant. Now we have already sprouted them with giving the moisture, and you can see that the white point, this white point is the new growth. So what we'll do, we'll ensure that all the new growth will be keeping on the top and sow it. Now the preparation, or the first the pot size. So friends, this is the 1 foot high pot and around 15-inch wide. Taro, we have taken the small roots and we can plant it at 8 to 10 inch distance. So in this pot, maintaining 8 to 10 inch into 15-inch pot, we can plant around 4 plants into this pot. So that's about the planting distance. Now about the preparation, we have prepared this grow bag. After removing the residue of the last crop, we have added around 1.5 kg of the well decomposed cow dung manure. Then it is the rainy time, so lot of rain is on this, so some of the weed is come out. So first we need to remove all this weed from this. After weeding, we must loosen the soil enough. So with the tool we are loosening this soil like this. So we are loosening up to 2 to 3 inch depth where we need to sow the taro root. So we are just gently loosening this soil for this sowing. This will ensure the loosening as well as all the removal of the weed seed which are germinated after the rain. So this will maintain our pot very clean. So this is how we have now loosened the soil and level it again. Now we must take all this taro which is sprouted and position them into upright condition. So the whatever sprout is there must be on the top. So we are maintaining the distance and setting this root on the upright position. So this will ensure the quick germination of the root into the pot. So this is simply we are going to sow. Now we need to sow this around 1.5 to 2 inch depth. That will make the good anchor of the plant and plant will not fall. So either we can dig a small hole, put it and cover it the soil, or we can straight away push this seed in the position around 2 inch and cover it with the soil. We can use either of the method for sowing. So we have put 4 roots into one pot. Once we do this pot is already wet, well moisture is there, and we'll just simply put the drip so we can add the water as and when required. After this completing, we need to cover it with the good amount of the mulch. That will ensure the shady condition for the new sprout as well as it will convert it into compost later on, which is very much required for the taro root because taro root loves the organic matter. So this is the simple way we can start taro root into our home garden and get the growth. Now here we have used around 3 to 4 gram of the tuber, which is very less into the weight, but taro will be multiply 15 to 20 times. So this will become 100 to 150 grams at the harvest. It will take 7 to 9 months for completing this cycle. Initially, the vegetative growth will be there, and once the winter months are on, it will start developing the multiple tuber. So this is how we can grow taro into our home garden. Friends, if you are also interested in growing taro, you can plant like this, sow your taro root and get the fresh yield for your consumption. Friends, how do you like my method of growing vegetables into the small space into the grow bags? please write me back into the comment box. And if you like the way I am experimenting on the different vegetables growing into this space, please give me the thumb. Also subscribe my channel to know all the update on this growing. And following me, you can also grow many vegetables into your home garden or the terrace garden. Happy growing!